As recently as the 1960s, Cambodia was known around the world as the Pearl of Asia. From coasts to villages to mountains, Cambodia had long been a tourist destination as the very heart of beauty, culture, and hospitality in Southeast Asia. But at the dawning of the Vietnam War, all of that changed. In Cambodia, both Pol Pot's and enemy militaries planted the ground with landmines. From then until today, these mines have devastated the Cambodian people and impoverished the nation's economy.
There's over 100 different orphanages that our church sponsors and builds. He came up to me and says, "Gary, we need guys like you in Cambodia. Please come." And I said, "Okay, I'll come." Because I put septic systems in. And that's what they needed most, was septic systems at the orphanages.
Some minefields are known and marked. Many are not. Next to one of the orphanages, a landmine was unearthed, while a member of Gary's team was digging in the ground to install a septic system.
And it got me thinking, well, if I had gone there, would I have stepped on that mine? Would my shovel have hit that? One landmine, a $3 landmine, can not only injure the one person, but the entire family suffers because there's no things like insurance there. It's a ripple effect. One mine, well, sure, it hurts the individual, but then the family has to support that individual with finances for hospital care. They have to mortgage their farm, their little piece of land. It may only be a half an acre or an acre, but they go to the bank and get a loan to pay for the hospital, and they're very high interest loans in Cambodia, and so they end up losing their farm, and then the women are sometimes forced into prostitution. The children, the people become alcoholics. It's a wicked, wicked cycle. One $3 landmine can create such a cycle of poverty. You can't really fathom it until you go there and talk with them, live with them, eat with them. It's really impactful to see. So there's just so many, I say, the ripple effects from a mine that you get rid of the mine, you don't have these ripple effects.
But landmines are designed to be hard to locate, so that your enemy can't easily find them. What's more, most anti-personnel are minimum metal mines, with only a metal spring and primer. This makes the mines very difficult and time-consuming to locate. It's common to have 100 false readings before locating one mine. Soon after the incident at the orphanage, Gary became aware of the extent of the threat and established partnerships with Cambodian non-government organizations, or NGOs, and talented individuals of that country to brainstorm a means to demine Cambodia more quickly, effectively, and safely than the options that were available.
Unfortunately, the bigger machines that they use for mechanical demining have issues that cause problems themselves. Environmental damage. Bringing the big machines out to the remote areas is a problem. The bridges can't support the weight of the machines. And so, yeah, it'd be great to have a big machine go there and take care of everything, but the reality is the big machines don't work real well in the areas where you have to get, like in the jungle areas.
In addition, they are cost prohibitive to transport, operate, and maintain. Using a flight drone as a demining device also presents challenges. Most regions of the world affected by landmines are covered in dense brush that needs to be cut close to the ground before metal detection is even possible. Plus, minimum metal mines are extremely difficult to detect. Furthermore, flight drones' method of exploding landmines by placing a secondary explosive on top of each landmine can cause erosion and other environmental damage, as well as inflict serious injuries on unseen passers-by and wildlife. Since so many of the current demining devices are either insufficient or unsustainable, what is the solution?
I was raised on a farm. When your tractor breaks down at the end of the field, it's like, oh, you got to figure it out. You know, you can't just call somebody and say, come on out here and fix it. I operated a heavy equipment for about 20 years, and so I know what it's like. Troubles you have in the field, getting machines to do what you want them to do because of the different terrain, and that's something you just don't learn in books.
With his background in farming, heavy equipment operation, and mechanical development, Gary got to thinking.
The other mechanical deminings, they're all run by an operator. There's somebody on the machine. And so the machine has to be very heavily armored to protect the operator. I'm thinking, well, if there's no operator, you can save all that weight. And it can be smaller. Can't we develop some system that would drop weights on that mine from a distance?
Meet Demining Rover PE1. Like a Mars rover, the PE1 is an unmanned robotic vehicle that moves over geographically diverse terrain, using attachments or arms to carry out its tasks of brush cutting, metal detecting, and mine detonation. The PE1's most important feature, its assembly of 4 hammers, uses air pressure to exert 10 times the force of a human footstep on landmines to ensure that all anti-personnel mines and unexploded ordnance are removed. The assembly's containment shield allows the detonation pressure to escape, yet retains large chunks of dirt and the shrapnel of metal mines to protect any unseen wildlife. The PE1's other key feature, its patented steering system, enables it to operate with significantly less energy than any other demining machine known to exist, because its lift and turn function greatly reduces friction against the terrain. Together, the conservative detonation method, containment shield, and steering system preserve the integrity of the soil for farming. Smaller than a space rover at just 1 meter high and weighing less than 1,000 pounds, the PE1 is both tough enough to withstand anti-personnel mine detonations and light enough not to set off anti-tank mines it may roll over. Being the first battery and soon solar-powered vehicle of its kind, it's the only demining machine that has actually been developed to work in a minefield. Perhaps most insightful of all, the rover is designed to be easy and cost-effective to mass-produce, transport, operate, and maintain. Demining Rover PE1 is the achievement of years of dedication and development. It was created with the extended goal to demine planet Earth, thus its abbreviated name, the PE1.
Working with the landmine survivors, we're always trying to find jobs for these people. And we think that manufacturing these little rovers would be great for the people in Cambodia. Give them a job, and a job that will have a legacy to it. It'll help make Cambodia safe. If we can make a machine in country that works more efficiently with less pollution to get rid of the mines faster than what's being done now, that's exciting.
When in operation, the Demining Rover PE1 will provide manufacturing jobs to parents and bring safety and freedom to families. It will allow people to expand their farms and livestock, greatly reducing starvation and poverty. Emerging prosperity. It is possible. It is attainable. Visit ProjectDemineThePlanet.com/donate today to help us make it happen. And if you're not able to contribute now, visit ProjectDemineThePlanet.com/Rover PE1 newsblog, and through following our monthly journal, become part of this amazing story.